Do you want to make your account an administrator in Windows? Then you've clicked the right video, as we will show exactly how to do that in some simple steps. So in Windows, you should open Command Prompt as an admin. Enable the hidden administrator account by tapping in the following, then press Enter. Now in doing so, you will have the option by opening the administrator account at any time by using Safe Mode. Next up, access the hidden Microsoft account by opening Start menu, click Power, then hold the Shift key until the Windows restart. Now in the Advanced Options screen, click Troubleshoot, choose Advanced Options, click Startup Settings, then click Restart. Now in here, press 4 to select Safe Mode, then click the Administrator tab, and doing so will log you into the administrator account. Lastly, you'd also change the standard user account privileges. All you have to do is open Run, type in the following, then press Enter. Select your personal account, click Properties, choose Group Membership tab, check the Administrator box, then click OK twice. Now once done, restart your computer, and when your computer finishes restarting, you should be out of safe mode and your computer should now have administrator privileges. So that's how quick and easy you can make your account an administrator on Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.